In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Gmail. This straightforward guide will walk you through the necessary steps, ensuring that by the end of this session, you'll be navigating your Gmail in a more eye-friendly dark mode. Dark mode reduces the strain on your eyes, especially during late-night email checks or when you're working in low-light environments. So, let's dive in and transform your Gmail experience. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Simply type mail.google.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll be prompted to log in if you're not already signed in. Once in your Gmail account, locate the settings icon. This is typically a gear icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will bring you to the main settings page of Gmail. Here, you'll find numerous settings options to customize your Gmail experience. But today, we're focusing on the Themes section, so proceed to click on the Themes tab. This is where you control how your Gmail looks and feels. Once inside the Themes tab, look for the Themes section and click on the button that says Set Theme. You'll be presented with a variety of theme choices. Here, you can choose from several pre-made themes designed by Google, but for our purpose, scroll through until you find the dark theme option. It often appears as a thumbnail image with a moon or a dark shade. Click on the dark theme thumbnail. You'll get a preview of how your Gmail will look. If you're satisfied with the new look, click on the Save button to apply the change. And there you have it. Your Gmail is now in dark mode. Remember, you can always switch back to a lighter theme by following these same steps. Experiment with other themes if dark mode isn't to your liking. This flexibility allows you to change settings according to your environment or personal preference. Just keep in mind that enabling dark mode consistently might help with reducing eye fatigue and saving battery on OLED screens. As a quick tip, after applying a theme, always take your time to navigate around your Gmail to ensure that the new look aligns with your preferences and needs. Customizing your email client can improve your overall experience, which makes it more engaging to manage your day-to-day communications. That's it for today. You've now learned how to enable dark mode in Gmail. This small change can make a big difference in your comfort and productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Safe emailing.